TIC for Work Zone includes a number of benefits to an agency wishing to create, process, store, and distribute information about a work zone, including the ability to connect details about the physical work zone and associated contractors and agencies, and also the permits and plans submitted for use in the project. When a user receives information about a work zone project is created, and details about the work zone are entered into TIC. The location is entered using the location cell or the map window, and TIC can use a number of location referencing methods to define a location. The user can also note if this is a moving work zone, meaning the actual work may be located at any point along the selected roadway location. To record the type of work zone, the user can select from a small number of activity names. Though this list continues to grow, with TIC's flexibility, if the required activity is not listed, the user can enter a new name manually, and TIC will store this activity name for the project. The duration element includes the overall project dates and can also include days and times when the project will be active. Since TIC uses a navigable map database to geolocate all data, the normal traffic control element can retrieve lane configuration information directly from the map database. The user can then modify any of this data if necessary based on current knowledge, and then either use the original data or any modified data to create the work zone traffic control information. Here, details on how each lane will be used while the work zone is active are shown. Each lane can be shown as open or closed, direction of travel, whether changes are manually or automatically controlled, even changes in the lane width and speed limits can be recorded. If required, a detour route can be shown to illustrate a detour around the work zone. This can be done by opening a new detour route from the cell in the form window, or by selecting one of the suggested detour routes directly from the map window. Because TIC relates all of the stored data geographically, the map can show other work zones, detour routes, and even active traffic and travel events in order to provide related information to the user when planning the detour. Once the work zone details are stored, the user can create a traffic and travel event to inform drivers about the work zone. The start time for distributing this information can be adjusted, allowing the information to be created ahead of time and stored for later use. TIC automatically creates a step to update the work zone information in order to remind the user to verify the stored project data against the actual work. This ensures that records are maintained confirming everything is working as planned, or to record any changes that might happen. TIC also creates a step to remind the user to update the traffic and travel event each time the work zone information is updated, just to make sure the data is reviewed and in sync. Two additional steps are included in the work zone process that allow an agency to connect all of the information about a work zone in one place. The step, Create New Information About Work Zone Traffic Control Permit, allows a user to enter all information already contained in a work zone permit into TIC. This includes permit request and approval times, and the names and contact information for all contractors, road agencies, even police agencies that are involved in the project, as well as amendments, attachments, and references to all agencies that will receive notices by copy of the work zone orders. The step Create Work Zone Traffic Control Permit document allows a user to import a traffic control plan document, then create a work zone traffic control permit and attach the original plan document when filing the permit. The plan, document, and approval are then stored together within the work zone project in TIC, connecting all the data together in one place. TIC for Work Zone saves time for an operator by connecting all of the data about a work zone project in the same place. This supports the planning process by harmonizing the available data and allowing an operator to use this related data to reduce the traffic impact through proper planning and seamless distribution of information about the work zone while it is in operation.